Are we going now?
Random 2, yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is only jalapeno, which is not too bad.
All right.
Oh, this one looks actually good. Garlic herb hot sauce. That sounds actually like good.
Garlic habanero and extreme habanero. So sweet.
I'm going. Wait, we gotta try it at the same time?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go garlic herb first. You're going in, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Garlic herb actually pretty good. I'm actually going for a second.
Garlic habanero is good.
You got garlic? Do you have garlic habanero?
Like
oh, you have garlic habanero. I've got
Yeah.
garlic herb.
shots.
This
Yeah.
one's extreme habanero.
Then we both choose the worst one last. What is the other one? Extra hot jalapeno. I'm about to die. It's not hot.
Try this one.
Which one? Which one? Is that one hot? You alright, bro? You don't look okay.
Try that.
I don't think I want to. Are you using the milk?
It's good.
In the milk though. you went in on that one, didn't you? Yeah, I didn't. And it's still kind of.
It's not.
You sweating yet?
Cold. A 5 or 6 on hotness and
Is that the habanero one?
like a
The extra one?
garlic habanero, and it's like an 8 on good. Extreme habanero is a good 9 on hot.
No,
No?
absolutely not.
Get some more of it then.
I mean,
Just drink it.
I rate so the hot jalapeno. Taste was okay. I say that the taste was like 6 out of 10. Hotness was like 3 out of 10. Garlic herb though was probably 8 out of 10 goodness and like probably another 3 out of 10 hotness if that.
Okay.
I'm gonna take my 9 back. It's an 8.
So I got extreme garlic and
Say-
hungry man's habanero.
Okay, we're trying the cayenne bacon and the jalapeno lime.
Cheers.
Cheers, bud.
Not that spicy.
That's a I don't know. That's a wee bit. Make me cry a little bit, but there it is.
Extreme garlic.
All right, bud. I'm eating this one.
Do I get $100 if I shot these right now?
Just like Brandon. Bacon, pretty dang good. Jalapeno lime is bueno. I'd say like a 8.
Habanero's pretty good. It's pretty spicy.
See that bottle?
Extreme garlic. It's very garlicky. Overall, 8 out of 10.
I have Pepe's Whiskey Habanero, probably gonna turn out awful, and garlic arbol, A-R-B-O-L, I guess that's arbol, hot sauce. And I hate hot sauce, so this is gonna be miserable.
Okay, I have cayenne smoky bourbon and extra hot habanero. Oh. Hang on. You go first.
Get some more.
Well, family, I love you. My will is written.
It's got a little spice to it now. It's going down. Watch your fingers.
This is so god awful. It's not hot, it just tastes bad.
What does it taste like?
Garbage. This is, oh my god. Oh my god, it's worse. Oh my god. Damn. Hand me a nugget.
Another one?
Give me a nugget.
Another one.
None of them were hot, so let me get the hot one.
Something.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's hot.
All right.
Yes. Holy shit. 0. Hotness on these first 2. Wasn't hot at all. I was kind of disappointed. And I'm actually going to go eat some decent chicken nuggets with ketchup after this.
Okay, I got cayenne smoky bourbon. It was pretty good. The taste was good. A little spicy. But the extra hot habanero was very spicy.
Terrible idea. I don't get paid enough to do this. Thank y'all.